The new EZMath feature in EZWrite 6 makes it easier than ever to turn complex handwritten math formulas and shapes into clean, readable content. Let's walk through how it works. First, tap the tool icon, then EZMath. At the bottom of the window, you can choose between drawing shapes or writing math formulas. Let's start with shapes. You can draw basic shapes like triangles, circles, or rectangles. It even recognizes more complex visuals such as tables or simple diagrams. Now let's check out the math formula mode. EZMath can solve simple calculations like this to help you save time. It can also make your handwritten equations clean and easy to read, like this. Made a mistake? No problem. You don't need to start over. Just squiggle to erase the part you want to fix and rewrite it. That's it. With EZMath, easily draw clean shapes and formulas right on your BenQ board. For more guides and tips about EZWrite 6, be sure to check out our other videos.